Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which traditional Indian craft is famous for its intricate mirror work and embroidery, originating from Gujarat? Answer B. Kutch embroidery. Question: the Madhubani painting style is predominantly practiced in which Indian state? Answer A. Bihar. Question: which Indian craft is known for making brass and bell metal artifacts primarily in Moradabad? Answer B. Moradabad metal craft. Question: the art of making intricate patterns on cloth using wax resist dyeing is called? Answer A. Batik. Question: which Indian craft is renowned for its stone inlay work, famously seen in the Taj Mahal? Answer B. Pietra Dura. Question: Chiknakari embroidery is a traditional craft from which Indian city? Answer A. Lucknow. Question: which craft involves making decorative metal items using an alloy of zinc and copper, mainly practiced in Bidar? Answer A. Bidriwari. Question: the famous Pattachitra paintings originate from which Indian state? Answer B. Odisha. Question: which Indian state is famous for the craft of making hand-woven silk known as Muga silk? Answer A. Assam. Question: the art of making decorative wooden toys from Nirmal is associated with which state? Answer A. Telangana. Question: which craft is famous for its blue pottery technique, mainly practiced in Jaipur? Answer B. Blue pottery. Question: the Warli painting tradition belongs to which tribal community? Answer B. Warli. Question: which Indian art form uses natural dyes and depicts mythological narratives on fabric? Answer A. Kalamkari. Question: which craft is known for its brass and copper tribal metal casting using the lost wax technique? Answer A. Dokra. Question: the famous Tanjore paintings are primarily done on which material? Answer B. Wood. Question: which Indian craft is characterized by tie-dye textile art, mainly from Rajasthan and Gujarat? Answer A. Bandhani. Question: which Indian state is the origin of the famous Fulkari embroidery? Answer A. Punjab. Question: the art of making intricately carved sandalwood and rosewood items is associated with which place? Answer A. Mysore. Question: which craft involves painting on silk and cotton fabric using a pen or brush, mainly practiced in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? Answer A. Kalamkari. Question: the traditional craft of making colorful woolen carpets in Kashmir is known as? Answer B. Kashmiri carpets. Question: which Indian art form is known for its use of gold foil and vibrant colors originating from Tamil Nadu? Answer A. Tanjore painting. Question: the craft of making exquisite brassware and metal utensils in Moradabad is also called? Answer B. Moradabad metal craft. Question: which Indian craft is famous for its intricate needlework on wool and cotton, practiced in Kashmir? Answer B. Kashmiri embroidery. Question: which tribal art form uses white pigment on a red ochre background and is practiced in Maharashtra? Answer A. Varli. Question: the craft of making painted wooden toys from Channapatna is associated with which state? Answer A. Karnataka. Question: which Indian craft is known for its hand block printing technique, primarily from Rajasthan? Answer A. Bagru print. Question: which art form is famous for its miniature paintings depicting Mughal court scenes? Answer A. Mughal miniature painting. Question: the traditional art of making colorful paper march items is most famously done in which region? Answer A. Kashmir. Question: which Indian craft involves weaving silk with zari and is renowned in Varanasi? Answer A. Banarsi silk. Question: which Indian state is known for the craft of dokra metal casting? Answer C. Jharkhand.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.